Good morning.
Hi.
Hey, so good news. Our bird feeders need to be refilled. So what does that mean?
It means the birds are eating.
The birds are using our bird feeders. So we've got two types of bird food, and we also got I got some squirrel food too. It's called Critter Crunch because we have some squirrels in. I found the squirrel eating because I put some food here. I put some food here one day to try to attract the birds, and the squirrel was up here eating it. So yeah, we're going to refill the feeders. So the hard one to get to is probably that one, or maybe that's the easy one.
That's the easy one.
That's the easy one? Can you get to it? Come on, Ender, if you want to come out, you can come out. Do you know how to get to it?
Yeah.
I can hear the birds all around us. They're like, what are you guys doing? All right. Go ahead. Can you reach it? It just lifts off. Just the bottom part lifts off. There you go. Yeah, and you can just dump it. Yeah, just dump it. And then maybe you can, do you need to come all the way out, or can you find a way to get it to me?
You can't reach it?
Maybe Jaden can. Jaden, can you reach that?
What?
Right there. Oh, yes, nice. He's got those long arms. All right, so now we just got to fill that back up. Stay right there, Jesse. All right, that's the one that we had.
Indiana Jones.
You're Indiana Jones? That's the one that we had the cardinal food in. So we're going to fill that one up with the cardinal food, which is this right here. Got this at Harris Teeter. There you go. Okay, good job. Now the hard part is going to be giving it back to Jesse without spilling it. Alright, Jesse.
Actually, that was not hard.
Yeah, it's not over yet.
How did you get across? I didn't. I went through here.
It's okay, Jaden. You get to do the next one.
Yay!
You did it. Great job.
Now, this looks impossible. Let's try it. Actually, this looks... Yeah, impossible. I don't think it's gonna happen. I'm gonna fall in. I'm scared. We'll try it. It's the end.
Yeah, reach his hand. Help him. You got it, Jesse.
Got it.
If you fall, I'll cut it on vlog. You did it!
Oh my god.
You did it! No, but now you got to go to the other one.
Then that's impossible. You can't do it like this.
You guys are
You
too.
have to go to this other one anyway.
It is amazing out. The weather is perfect out today.
I'm not gonna be...
See, the other one's a bit tricky to get to because he has to climb over this thing.
That's gross. That wall little thing is gross.
Yeah, try not to touch the wall with your pants.
That's not that gross right now.
Yeah, it was wet. It was raining when we did it last time. There we go. Just dump it. Just dump it right where you are. Just spread it around. Yeah, spread it around so the birds have food on the ground too. And then we'll just put some fresh food in there. It is beautiful out today, guys. Okay, if you want, you can just hand it to me and I can fill it. Well, Jesse can fill it up. Here, Jesse, go in there and get that other one. That way he doesn't have to jump over again. We'll fill her up.
So this is just gonna be the regular one, this one?
Yes, the premium blend. Yep. Yeah, that one's a little heavier too. So just set that on there. There you go.
It's heavy.
Keep putting your butt in the camera. There you go. Fill it right up. There you go. There you go. That's good. Boy, you can hear the leaves rustling. The leaves are like...
Is it good now? Is it good now?
Yeah, that's fine. I love to hear the crunch of the leaves. And where have you been? You figured out the dog collar's not working, so... Yeah. Then what I'm going to do is I'm going to take this squirrel food and I'm going to bring it over here and put it on the... I just dumped some on... Oops. Sorry.
I want to do it.
Yeah, go ahead.
Did you already do it?
No, take it. Take the squirrel food. Yep.
It's a little big.
Yeah. I just like to pour some right on here. Look at, they cleaned it right off too. I had poured some right in the middle. I just poured in the middle.
Okay.
Oh, yeah, do some more than that.
Okay.
I'm talking squirrels here. Keep going.
There's peanuts.
Yeah, there's peanuts.
Is that it?
A little bit more. Yeah, that's good. That's good. Yeah.
Fun. You can pour it everywhere.
If you want to pour some of that over here, come here. Come here. You can actually pour some of that up here.
You have it. I'll do that.
Okay, so we finished that. My camera gets shut off whenever I get a phone call. So that's why that got shut off really abruptly, because we got a phone call.
Yeah.
So, just making some lunch.
Wait, Mom, what is velocity? Is velocity speed that in the air? What is velocity? I think velocity is kind of like...
I think...
Is speed
Okay,
in the
Google.
air.
What does velocity mean?
Okay, Google.
It's thinking. It's thinking. Oh, you gotta fight him.
Whoa! How do you do that, Ender? You're so good.
Oh, what? That was easy.
Whoa!
Wow, good job.
It's so cool when he puts his like.
I had him standing for quite a while the other day.
Yeah?
Yeah, it was. I had a bone.
And just think, like a couple of months ago, he couldn't even like stand on fours on his back legs
Yeah.
because he was in so much pain. He's gotten so much better.
Hey, hey,
And I don't
hey.
think you guys can even hear me.
Hey, Ender, we're vlogging over here.
He's getting younger.
Yes.
Ender,
He's
stop.
arthritis and he's like, I can't even go up a step. With stick.
Oh my god.
Ender!
What is he doing?
I don't know.
He's trying to be as annoying as he can.
Okay, well now it is time for the ending, and I will just say today. Hey, pick hooray. I mean, it rhymes, so it's true.
So,
And I gotta go, because I gotta go. Okay?
Whoa, TMI!
be careful. We don't want this video to get demonetized.
Oh my gosh.
I know.
Ender!
Thank you. Oh, it's all. Ew. Oh, ew, 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 ew. Ew, ew, ew. I'll be right back.
So, I'm so sorry that, like, the vlog abruptly ended after we filled the bird feeders. But I ended up having to go pick up my mom for a doctor's appointment, and then I just got back, and it's 10 o'clock at night.
Yeah.
So, that happened.
Forever.
Yeah,
I mean,
it took
you were gone for
ever.
a long time, yeah.
Well, I also took her out to dinner too. So we went to her eye doctor appointment, was there for an hour, then we went to eat.
Wasn't that guy supposed to be here?
Yeah, they was here. You guys
Um,
didn't even know.
yeah, we'll talk about that later. And then I had to take her to the grocery store. Oh, I took her to Walgreens. She was in Walgreens for an hour.
How do
she
you go in
shopped.
Walgreens for an hour?
She shopped. She has to look and touch everything. Okay? And then we had to go to Publix. And of course,
I can understand being at a grocery store for a while, but a drugstore.
but Publix is bigger and there's more stuff, and she touched everything. I was just like, Mom, and I didn't even need anything at the grocery store, but somehow I ended up spending $85. So
Just go up to everyone. Go.
that happens. So yeah,
Up to every single
love my
one.
mom, love her, but
Ooh.
she's a PIA. Oh, don't want to get demonetized.
Nothing.
Wait, PIN.
We're going to have to explain to you guys what this whole demonetization.
You got it.
We're going to have to do a...
Bean.
In
Yeah, there you go.
And the donkey. We're going to have to do a video complaining about demonetization.
Where's the P?
Where's he going? Ender, where you going? Yeah.
He's like, oh, you guys are busy here. I can go in the bathroom and steal tissues.
I don't think there is any left. He went in the boys' room. Did you guys put your new trash barrel in your bathroom? Yeah, I like that. It's really
Yeah,
nice.
it's so much bigger than the other
Yes.
one. The other one was
You
so
put a real bag in there?
No. I need to do that, don't
Yes,
I?
please.
It's big enough that I'm gonna need to put one.
Yeah. All right, guys. So that's pretty much our day. It was just one of those days. So short vlog. So Jaden, what do you want to say to our new subscribers?
Welcome to our new subscribers. Thank you for subscribing, watching everything, and if you can subscribe button,
Please do it awesome.
because you're gonna join 2017. Why? That was scary. What is? Oh, because we do sparkly vlogs and
I don't, but these guys eat birdseed.
Ew, they did
I
too.
swallow it. I eat it. I do swallow it. Okay.
Apparently, we don't feed them enough real food, so they have to eat birdseed.
Bye.
Bye, guys.
Bye.